The unexpected world of curveball. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of English idioms. One phrase that many people come across but might find puzzling is curveball. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. A curveball is originally a baseball term. In baseball, a curveball is a type of pitch where the ball curves or breaks as it approaches the batter, making it difficult to hit. The ball does not travel in a straight line, and this unpredictability is what gives the term its figurative meaning in everyday English. In everyday language, when someone says life has thrown them a curveball, they don't mean they've suddenly been asked to play baseball. Instead, they're using the term metaphorically to express that they've encountered an unexpected challenge or situation. It's something that they didn't see coming, much like a batter might not anticipate the tricky path of a curveball in a game. Examples: losing my job was a real curveball, but I learned a lot from the experience. Just when I thought I had everything planned out, life threw me another curveball. To sound natural when using curveball in your conversations, remember the following. 1. Context. It's mostly used in situations where someone wants to express surprise about an unforeseen challenge or problem. 2. Verb association. Common verbs associated with curveball include throw and hit. For instance, life really threw me a curveball with that one. And there you have it. Now you know how to use and understand the phrase curveball, both in its literal and figurative senses. English is filled with such colorful idioms, and the more you learn, the more vivid and expressive your conversations can become. We hope this video has been enlightening. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonderful world of the English language.